You're too slow for this company. Yeah.
I was only trying to help. She worked here for 15 years.
Every night, she worked until sunrise. If I give up now,
We lost the client! No, this can't be happening! Then he discovered the truth.
Have you noticed how TikTok, Instagram Reels, and even YouTube Shorts are suddenly getting flooded with these emotional AI animation videos? I'm talking about those fruit human characters, talking food characters, dramatic little animated stories that somehow keep people watching until the very end. And here's the crazy part. Some of these channels have uploaded fewer than 20 videos and already pulled in hundreds of thousands, sometimes even millions of followers. And the best part? You don't need animation skills. You don't need professional editing experience. And honestly, you can start doing this almost completely free. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create these viral AI animation videos, from generating story ideas, writing scripts, creating consistent characters, animating them, adding voiceovers, all the way to editing everything together inside CapCut. And what I love most about this workflow is how beginner-friendly it is. Like, seriously, even if you've never made an AI video before, you can still follow along and start creating today. I already built the exact prompts you need to make videos like this, and I'm going to share the whole process with you in this video. So let's jump right in. But real quick, if you're into AI tools, faceless content, and online income ideas, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos like this. Alright, so the first thing we're going to use is either OpenAI ChatGPT or Google Gemini to generate our video ideas and scripts. And by the way, if you want the exact prompts I'm using in this video, just comment Jacky AI Flow below and I'll send them to you. Now I'm going to paste the master prompt into ChatGPT. This prompt is designed to automatically generate viral emotional storytelling ideas specifically for short-form AI videos. Once you hit enter, give it a few seconds, and you'll start seeing a bunch of really interesting story concepts pop up. Now all you have to do is pick the story you want to turn into a video. For this example, I'm going to choose this one right here. Then I'll copy it, paste it back into ChatGPT, and hit enter again. At this point, ChatGPT starts building the entire video structure for us, including image prompts, animation prompts, scene breakdowns, and even the full voiceover script. And honestly, this is the part that saves the most time. Next comes character creation. I'm going to copy the first image generation prompt from ChatGPT, then open whatever AI image tool you want to use. I'm personally using Gemini for this example, so I'll just paste the prompt into Gemini and hit generate. After a few seconds, the AI creates this super cinematic looking image that honestly looks way more professional than most people expect. What I really like is that the facial expressions and lighting feel very emotional and movie-like. Almost Pixar style, but still original enough to stand out. Now we're basically gonna repeat the same process for the remaining scenes. Go back to Gemini, copy the second image prompt, paste it in, and generate the next image. And just like that, scene 2 is done. You can already see how the story starts coming together visually. Once all your images are ready, download everything and save them into one folder because we'll need them for the animation step. Now for the fun part, animation. For this workflow, I'm using Google Flow because right now it's honestly one of the better AI tools for short cinematic talking animations. Once you open Google Flow, click New Project. Over on the right side, I'm going to adjust a few settings first. Video mode, 9:16 aspect ratio for shorts. Results set to 1. And for the video model, I'm using VO3. After that, just drag all your generated images into the project. It'll take a few moments to upload and process everything. Once it's finished, you'll see all your scenes ready inside the project library. Now drag the first image onto the timeline. Then go back to Gemini and copy the animation prompt for that scene. This part is super important because the animation prompt controls how the character moves, how the camera behaves, how emotional the expressions feel, and whether the lip sync looks natural or awkward. So I'll paste the animation prompt into Flow. Then I'll copy the voiceover script and paste that in too. And after that, just hit generate. A few seconds later, the AI generates a fully animated cinematic scene with surprisingly smooth movement and pretty natural lip sync. Honestly, AI lip sync has improved so much compared to a few months ago. If you've tested older AI animation tools before, you probably remember those nightmare-looking mouth movements. Thankfully, things are getting way better now. Now, just repeat the same process for the rest of the scenes. Drag the next image into the timeline, paste the animation prompt, paste the voiceover, and generate the next clip. That's literally the workflow. And once all your scenes are finished animating, download all the clips and save them into one folder. Now let's move over to CapCut and put everything together. Import all the animation clips into your project, then drag them onto the timeline in the correct story order. This is honestly the moment where the video really starts to come alive. You can actually feel the pacing and emotional flow building scene by scene. Once everything looks good, just export the video and upload it to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. And that's basically the entire workflow behind the viral AI animation videos that a lot of fast-growing channels are using right now.
You're too slow for this company. Yeah.
I was only trying to help. She worked here for 15 years.
Did something bad happen?
No, sweetheart. Mommy's okay.
But she cried the entire ride home.
Every night, she worked until sunrise. If I give up now,
We lost the client! No, this can't be happening! Then he discovered the truth. Amelia, please. I need your help.
You fired me when I needed kindness. I'm proud of you, Mom. We survived together.
The strongest hearts are often the kindest ones.
If this video helped you understand how to create viral AI animation content, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to Jacky AI Flow. And again, if you want all the prompts I used in this video, just comment Jacky AI Flow below and I'll send them over. Thanks so much for watching all the way to the end, and I'll see you in the next video.